Channellock is yet another iconic American brand. Nearly everyone has a pair of Channellock tongue-and-groove pliers in their workshop. The pliers are clearly what set them apart and cemented their iconic status, but I think there's more lore here. They're one of the oldest family-run tool companies in America, so let's dive in and tell the full story of Channellock tools. The story of Channellock begins in 1886, when George-DeArment started a blacksmith shop in Evansburg, Pennsylvania, called the Champion Bolt Clipper Company. Eventually he moved to Conduit Lake, where he hand-forged farrier's tools and would travel from town to town, selling them out of the back of a wagon. Sometimes selling the whole wagon, too. DeArment faced a setback in 1893 when, allegedly, an unscrupulous bank teller stole all his money. I can't find any record of this, but it is what's documented on Channellock's website. However, in their official company history document that they published in 1986, they said that the bank just went out of business, so not sure which story is true. Either way, DeArment's pockets got low, but he filled them back up. After securing new financing, he came back as the Champion Tool Company, still making farriers and blacksmith's tools. In 1904, they moved operations to Meadville, Pennsylvania. George DeArment would pass away in 1917, leaving the company in control of his sons, Almon and J. Howard DeArment. In 1923, they moved to their present-day facility in Meadville. Howard DeArment would die of a heart attack in 1927, leaving his brother Almon in charge. Around this time, the company name was changed to the Champion-DeArment Tool Company. With the demand for horse tools fading, Champion-DeArment pivoted to pliers. The famous Channellock Pliers were patented in 1933 and invented by Howard Manning. This was a truly unique design for its time. A series of grooves was machined into one half of the pliers, and a matching rib was on the other half. When interconnected, the groove and the rib support each other, so that in use, the force applied to the pliers is spread out over the grooves, instead of being applied directly to the pivot pin. These grooves also provide a convenient way of adjusting the pliers. The pivot pin can slide in the track, allowing you to select a different groove, changing the jaw size. Manning would make continuous improvements to the design. The original patent expired in 1951, and many other companies started making competing versions. Ultimately, Manning settled on a tapered groove design in 1963, and they changed the pivot point from a bolt and a nut to a rivet in 1986. Switching their focus from blacksmith and farrier tools to pliers resulted in a large increase in business for DeArment. A lot of their sales, 65%, came from contract manufacturing. DeArment made pliers for Sears Craftsman, among others. Fearing a massive loss in sales should the Sears contract be canceled, DeArment embarked on a nationwide direct-to-consumer ad campaign, running ads in Popular Science and Popular Mechanics magazines. Two of DeArment's nephews, George S. and William A., would take over the company upon Almon's passing in 1950. Their distinctive blue color handle was first used in December of 1956. This shade of blue is designated as 10B5/12 on the Munsell color scale. Channellock would get a trademark on this shade of blue in 1987. By 1963, their pliers had become so popular that Champion-DeArment officially changed their name to Channellock Incorporated. Even though Channellock's main focus was now pliers, they still made other tools, like adjustable wrenches, hammers, screwdrivers. They even still had a couple farrier's tools up through their '68 catalog. Channellock did some funky stuff in the 60s, like these grip lock locking pliers, vice grips that could be operated one-handed, I have a full review video on these on my channel. Today, Channellock still carries many of the same tools they had decades ago. The company is still run by descendants of the DeArment family, and most of their tools are still being made in the Meadville plant that they moved into in 1923. Channellock would even go to the White House in 2017 to participate in the Certified Made in America Roundtable. But the only Channellock stuff not made in the USA is their adjustable wrenches, which are made in Spain by Iriga. I actually prefer these to the older US-made adjustable wrenches. And their locking pliers, those are also made in Spain but by Grip-On. I would pass on these socket and wrench sets that are made in Taiwan. They're just generic import tool quality. One thing that is missing from their current lineup is hammers. This one belonged to my grandpa. When the handle broke on it, he cut it down and made a short stubby out of it. I still use this thing a lot today. I know some people don't like the finish on the Channellocks, or the lack of a finish. There's some kind of lacquer on them that wears off during use and can allow the metal to rust. I don't care, it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, it's nice to see a tool company that stayed family-owned for over 100 years. It's kind of refreshing after all these videos where the company got bought out by a huge conglomerate and gutted. We'll get back to that type of story in the next episode. Be sure you subscribe to my channel if you're interested in tool history. Also check out the channel memberships if you want to support the channel directly. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.